So someone on the channel asked me to do something about rigids. What's the info about rigids? In this same yard, where I've come to check out a video, to check out a truck for my mate and subscriber. Shout out to you, Amisi, in Nairobi. Yeah, there is rigids. So looking at this, the good thing is these ones are labeled with price. This is a DAF 61 plate, that is 2011. Big massive DAF like this. It looks like because it's a double wheeler at the back. Is it three wheeler? This always means about 26 tonner, 26 to 30 tonner. It has also a lift at the back. This one is listed here. Is it 9,950? Yeah, 9,950. Walk up movements, by the way. I am at not far from where Derbyshire. Walk up movements. Small one like that, DAF 8,450. 8,450. This one looks like maybe 5 tonner or 7.5. Yeah, and still do your thing. This is the one. This looks like the one I had got. This one here. If you see what my videos there, finally I got a truck. It was something looking like this, size wise, although it was an Iveco. No price tag on that. The other one was at 3 grand. Was it 3.5? Yeah. Big DAFs are here. That's 10 Gs as well. That is 950, so it's around 10,000. This is 7.5, and this is a smaller one, 7.5 ton, I bet. Yep. Volvo, Renault. This Renault is also 10k, 10,950. Man, big man, 14,750. Alright, I like to change the model. Let's see. Dennis truck, Carmichael Former, fire engine, only 4,250. What would you use it for? I think you'd have to get rid of the back. And imagine, yeah, 4,000. You'd have to get rid of this and make it out with something. I don't know what you do with it. Maybe if you're a government purchase. Then little one like this, Benz, they are seen there in East Africa, Uganda. We've seen bread companies, bakeries doing use of this. 5,950 pounds. Then a bigger one, 18,750. The Benz, you can see, is well more expensive than the DAF, because the other DAF at the same size was around 10 Gs. This is 8,750. Iveco, smaller, 8,450. Alright. Don't forget to touch the subscribe button, touch the like button. Help spread these videos. Share the videos. It's Simon Kahwa, formerly Simon Trucker. Same source. Up in Derbyshire. Checking out motors in the yards. Trailer like this, 6,950. Reefer. Fridge. Without a fridge, just the box. Barn doors. We'll find out in a sec. Barn doors. 7,950. Oh, okay, it has a reefer. Without the fridge, it would be cheaper. It would be well cheaper. Actually, we passed one at the top there. Right up there. I'm sure it's well cheaper. The fridge, obviously, they charge the fridge different. Summer England, summer. The climax this week, they have warned it's going for 40 degrees. See what the sun's doing. They also have wagon and drag. That's the one that I learned in when I was at Wallace. Lorry pulling a trailer, like full lorry almost. It's 29 G's, 750. I don't know whether that means with the whole machine. This one comes with a proper lift as well. You could do a lot of brick deliveries with this. 29,000. What range is the front? 6.3. These ones are just under ULEZ, ultra low emissions zone of London. You can tell the companies sold them because of that fact, because they start on 2014. So when 2014, when they brought the rule, 2013 and below, companies sold those so they could move on and be able to get into town, London city. Right. Big yard. I can trust them. I've seen one there, Benz for 10 G's. 10 G's. Looks very attractive. I want to share one wise thing that I read recently. I keep listening to all these wise man wisdom videos because they help. If you keep just going and you're not listening to advice, wise people sayings, may be heading the wrong place in a big rush. One of them says, if you work all the hours every day all the time, then you don't have the time to make money. I don't know, it sounds weird, but what does that mean? You can't do all the time banging shift. You're not going to be thinking how to make the quid, because you stay in the same place just making the same money. It means that you have to stop certain days and do the other stuff, the thinky stuff. You get the thinky stuff. So that's it, a little view of the rigids section. I'm not going to go on and on. I want to cut this video at this and say stay safe, God bless, love.